Tonight we are hosting an event for SENSODYNE Repair and Protect. With the new concept of SENSODYNE Lab, we would like to create an opportunity where everybody can experience the pit sensitivity and the science behind our new SENSODYNE Repair and Protect.
It doesn't happen so often that we connect the toothpaste, our product, with food.
Well, I think the SENSODYNE is really doing an amazing job with this event. They are really, showing the technology, how it works in real life. What I really liked about Tomáš culinary experience was his connection, food and the toothpaste.